Need to log out of the Instagram app, but not sure how? We're here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to log out of your Instagram account on the mobile app. Now let's get started. To log out of Instagram on the mobile app, open Instagram and tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Tap the menu icon in the top right corner. Scroll all the way down to the bottom and tap Log Out. You can choose if you want to save your login info to make it easier to log in again later. You'll then be signed out of your Instagram account. If you're logged into another account on the same device, you'll be switched to that account. If not, you'll be taken to the login screen. That's all it takes to log out of the Instagram app. For more helpful Instagram tips and tricks, check out our full playlist of Instagram tutorials. Click the playlist on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.